Hello everyone, welcome back to SFTC Mix. In this video, we're going to see the demo session of how business will be utilizing the Salesforce to do their daily activities. I'm going to make these videos as a three-part because I have to explain the sales flow, service flow, and the marketing flow. In a single video, it's going to be long. So let's make it as a three-part and we'll see how each three teams will be working within the Salesforce. So let's get started. So the one which you are seeing on the screen is a Salesforce window. And in our last video also we have seen how Salesforce looks like, and we have also seen the app launcher, and this app launcher got the custom and the standard application within this, and all these applications will be utilized by the business people. And Salesforce has three major cloud called Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. So for that we got a Sales Console, Service Console, and the Marketing Console. So I have already opened all three consoles, all the three modules in three different tabs. So here we have a Sales Console, and we got a Service Console here, and we got a Marketing Console. So in this video, we're going to see the flow of the Marketing Cloud. And for the Service Cloud and the Sales Cloud, I'm going to make a separate videos. So let's see how does the marketing team will utilize the Salesforce and work on it. Because in the business flow, which I have explained in one of my previous video, see, marketing team will come first and they will start generating the lead, and that will be utilized by the sales team. So the marketing team will follow multiple different strategy to get a lead. They will be using the different integrations, everything. So I may not be able to show the integration here because I don't have access and the integration is not enabled as well. However, we will see how they can get a lead created within the Salesforce, and then the sales team will start using it. So the first thing, they can create a lead manually. Let's say they have contacted someone and they found they are the potential customers. They can do a business with them. So they can create a lead manually here, or they can also follow a different strategy that Salesforce does provides a functionality called web to lead. That's a standard functionality. However, that needs to be configured, and that configuration will be done by the Salesforce technical team if the business has requested for that. And I have already completed the configuration. That means that as per that configuration, all we have to do is we just need to configure the web to lead, and we will get some the code or the form that we need to place it or the embed it on the website where we want to host the form, because that's basically a form which user will find it and fill the details, and whenever they fill the details, that particular information will be coming into the Salesforce in form of leads. So what I will do, I will just open that form, or I can also show you how exactly it looks like. So what I will do, I'll just open it with the notepad. So this is how it looks like, because what happens when I configure, or when we configure the web to lead functionality, by default it will generate some HTML document, but that will be a very raw document because it won't be having any styling or something. So what I have done, I have added some styling to look the form pretty good. And how exactly it works, because it will be having some Salesforce identifiers within that, and based on that, whenever users submit the form, that details will be coming to the Salesforce and the lead will be automatically created. If you can see here, there's a value which is a Salesforce org ID, and there's a written URL as well. And based on that, this is a written URL, which is once the form is submitted by the customer, where exactly that redirection should happen. As of now, since this is for demo purpose, I have just added a Google image link here, which means that once the form has been submitted, it will be redirected to the some of the image, but that should be fine for now. So now let's run this particular form, and I'll just show you how exactly it looks like. Let's say we have embedded this form in some of the website, and this is how it looks like. And what customer will do, they click on some ad, and that will be redirecting to this particular form, and they will enter their details. Let's say it's so this is the detail of the lead, and they will provide their email address, and company and just random phone number. So once they click on submit, like I said, since I have given a Google image as a written URL, it is redirecting here. That can be customizable. I mean, if the business is requesting for something else, we can do it. So now let's see if the lead is created in the Salesforce. So now it is automatically filtered for recently viewed. What I will do, I'll just click on all open leads. So, okay. So yeah, so this is the lead which is created, and I can see the lead has been created now. And what marketing team will do, so the lead is created, and further they'll see the campaign, because campaign is one of the main object for the marketing team. Let's say they have run some live campaign. Let's say it's a software demo and type is conference. I'm just keeping all the details as is, and it's an active campaign, and there's some start date, end date, and some expected revenue and budget and cost. Okay, so now they have saved it. So now the campaign is in the system. Further, what they will do, they got one lead through the advertisement or through the form which we have just submitted. So they'll just go to the details, enter all the details, and come to the related list here. And they got some option called campaign members. So they can add the campaign here. I mean the lead here. They can find the lead which is auto created. They can select it and they can click on next. So they can keep the member status, whatever they want, and then click on submit. So that will add the lead as a campaign member here. So now the marketing team got the campaign created and they got the campaign member added here as well. After this, they will start looking into the further campaigns or the further lead, or they will start focusing on getting more leads for the same campaigns. So that is a very general flow of the marketing team. Depending on the business, the flow would be vary. I mean, they will be having a different flows as well. So now, after marketing team, we are going to see how this particular lead will be utilized by the sales team, and then what service team will do. So everything we are going to see. So in the next video, we will see how sales team will be working with this particular lead. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.